How to make baby formula.
Friday music.
Hi, I'm Rollerball Sass. Today, I will show you how is the proper way of making formula for our babies. Baby formula milk may not be always a personal choice. All mothers know that breastfeeding is the best feeding for their baby. However, some mothers may be unable to breastfeed their baby. Maybe mother's condition makes breastfeeding harder or impossible for her. Some mothers take medication or the mother is working, just can't fit breastfeeding in their schedule. So in that case, formula milk can provide a nutritious alternative for our babies. Get the equipment ready.
Friday music.
Collect all the equipments and utensils required and keep them accessible for preparation. Kettle or electric kettle, 1 liter clean cup water, thermos jug, sterilized baby bottle, powdered milk formula. Use iron fortified infant for formula.
Boiling water to purify. It helps to kill microorganisms.
Friday music.
Fill the kettle with 1 liter of fresh tap water.
Friday music.
Let it boil the water for 2 minutes.
Friday music.
Then leave the water cool for no more than 30 minutes so that it remains at a temperature of at least 70 degrees Celsius. Okay? Store boiled water in a thermos jug to keep it warm throughout the day. Okay, we have to check first the milk formula expiration date here, and that is important before making a formula kit for our babies. And after that, check also the manufacturer's instruction at the back of the tin or a box.
Here's the sample of infant formula feeding table.
Friday music.
Okay, after checking, we are now ready to make baby formula.
Clean and disinfect the surface you are going to use before making a baby formula.
It's important that you wash your hands thoroughly with soapy water, dry your hands with clean cloth, wear a hairnet, and make sure your fingernails are clean and trimmed. Now we are ready making up baby formula. Making up baby formula. Stand the bottle on the clean, disinfected surface. Okay. And then, pour the amount of water you need in the bottle according to manufacturer's instruction. Okay? According to manufacturer instruction, sa first and second week of baby, you need 90 ml of water and 3 of milk. Okay. In water is 90 ml. You need 90 ml of water. Put 90 ml double check if the amount of water is correct according to manufacturer instructions. Loosely fill the scoop with formula powder according to manufacturer's instruction. Okay? According to manufacturer instruction, in 90 ml of water, we need at least 3 scoops of milk. Okay? Then, 11/8 inside of the tin or container. Then screw the ring onto the bottle and gently shake it until the powder dissolves. Gently shake it. Gently shake the bottle to dissolve the powder. Formula requires shaking, so air bubbles build up in those bottles as well. Simple, allow the bottle to settle for a few minutes before breathing, as this should eliminate most of the bubbles and decrease air ingestion. Set the temperature of the formula on the back of your hand before your baby. It should be a room temperature, which means it feels warm but not hot.
Formula feeding.
Sit in a comfortable chair, hold the baby's head in elevated angle, and keep the bottle held up so she doesn't suck in a lot of air. Make sure the nipple hole is the right hole or is the right size of the hole. If it is too large, your baby will gag and look alarmed at the past milk flow. And if it's struggling, the hole may be too small or the nipple is hard for him. Don't encourage your baby to finish the bottle if they seem to have lost of interest.
Use the formula within 2 hours. If there is any formula left in the bottle after 2 hours, always throw it away. Bacteria can grow in formula. The risk of infection increases over time, so that's why it's important to make up a fresh feed each time your baby needs it and throw any leftover formula away after 2 hours. If you are making more bottles at the same time, it is very important to cool them immediately. Store them in the fridge in 5 degrees Celsius or below for up to 48 hours. If the baby hasn't touched the nipple, if she has, throw out whatever remains after a feeding. Never heat formula in the microwave. Microwaves heat the formula unevenly, and hot spots will burn your baby's mouth. Place the bottle in a bowl of hot water for a few minutes to bring it up to room temperature. How to burp a baby.
Burping your baby is an important part of feeding. When your baby swallows, air bubbles can become trapped in their tummy and cause a lot of discomfort. Some babies find it easy to burp, while others need a helping hand. There are few ways to burp your baby. Try them all out and see which works best, or use a combination.
Over your shoulder burping technique. Put a clean towel or burp cloth on your shoulder. Sometimes babies spit up milk while burping. With your baby's chin resting on your shoulder, support the head and shoulder area with one hand and gently grab and pat your baby's back. It might help to walk around as you are doing this. Sitting on your lap, burping technique. Put a towel or burp cloth on your lap. Sit your baby on your lap, facing away from you. Place the palm of your hand flat against your chest and support their chin and jaw. Lean your baby forward slightly with your free hand. Gently rub or pat your baby's back. Lying across your lap, burping technique.
ID music.
Put a clean towel or burp cloth on your lap. Lay your baby across your lap,
ID music.
face down. Supporting their chin, use your free hand. Gently rub and pat your baby's back. We're done! Making up baby formula, formula feeding, and the last, birthing a baby. Thank you for watching.